Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve this question, and we have a cube plus 3 times product of ab square. This is equal to 365, and the second equation is a b cube plus 3 times product of a square b. This is equal to negative 364, and we find the value of a and b. And in our question it's given that a and b belong to a real number. So let's start. Look at this first equation and the second equation. In the first step, we add these two equations. So the first equation is a cube plus 3 times product of ab square. This is equal to 365. And the second equation is a b cube plus product of plus 3 times product of a square b. This is equal to negative 364. We add these two equations. Then the left hand side is a cube plus 3 times 3 times product of ab square plus b cube plus 3 times product of a square b, and the right hand side is 1. Now here we recall the identity, which is a plus b whole cube. As we know, this is equal to a cube plus 3 times product of a square b plus 3 times product of ab square plus b cube. Now focus on this left hand side and this side of the equation. This is the same, so we can write this equation as a plus b whole cube. This is equal to 1. Now on the next step, we take a cube root of both sides of this equation. So take a cube root on this side, and also take a cube root on this side. This cube and cube root cancel, so here we just get a plus b, and the cube root of 1 is 1. So we call this is our third equation, and we use this equation later. Now focus on these two equation. In this step we add these two equation, then we get this third equation. Now what will happen if we subtract these two equation? So now we subtract these two equations. Our first equation is a cube plus 3 times product of ab square. This is equal to 365. And the second equation is b cube plus 3 times product of a square b. This is equal to negative 364. Now we subtract these two equations, then we get a cube plus 3 times product of a b square negative b cube and negative 3 times product of a square b, and this right hand side will become a 729. Now here we recall the identity, which is a negative b whole cube. So this is equal to a cube negative 3 times product of a square b positive 3 times product of ab square negative b cube. Now focus on this side, we rearrange this left hand side, then we get a cube. After that we write this negative 3 times product of a square b plus 3 times product of a ab square negative b cube. This is equal to 729. Now focus on this and this part. This is a, so we can say that a minus b whole cube, this is equal to 729. In the next step, look at this right hand side 729. We find the factor of this. So we have a 729. So here we write 3. 3 2s are 6. The next term will become a 12. 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Now 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. This is our 8. So we get next answer 21. 3 7s are 21. And 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and then 3 1s are 3. So we write this as a 3 cube and then multiply 3 cube. So this is a 3 cube multiply 3 cube. And this side is a negative b whole cube. To remove this cube, we take a cube root on both sides of this equation. So take a cube root on this side and also take a cube root on this side. This cube and cube root cancel, so here we get a negative b. This cube and cube root cancel, this cube and cube root cancel, we just get 3 multiply 3, which is equal to 9. And this is our equation 4. Now we use equation 3 and 4 and find the value of a and b. This is our equation 3 and equation 4 is a minus b is equal to 9. Now we add these two equations. Then we get 2 times a, this will cancel and the right hand side is a 10. In the next step we divide this equation by 2 on both sides. This 2 and 2 cancel, we just get a is equal to divide 10 by 2, we get 5. So in our question the value of a is a 5. Now we find the value of b. For this we use the equation 3, which is a plus b is equal to 1. And the a is a 5, so here we write 5 plus b is equal to 1. In the next step we subtract a 5 on both sides of this equation. Then we get b is equals to 1 negative 5. So this is equal to negative 4. The value of b in our question is a 4. So a is a 5 and the b is a negative 4 and we have